You can expect a lot from the 2018 Fiat 500X. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced-air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.